Now this is an H2 right here. This is an H2, boy. Alright guys, so we got the H2 here and we're going to take this ugly, atrocious exhaust off this bike. The bluing does look good in the headers and whatnot, but I think we can make it look much better. Hey, so we got everything kind of loosely test fitted here. I'm super pumped. But yeah, let's go ahead and put this on the bike. All right guys, so here goes the first official start. And try to get the water to cycle through.
Tell you my problems, meditating my silence. But I keep pushing my pen, rotating my stylus. Brokenness feeling like sin, now no breath, low dollar. Used to be left on red, now all the girls go holler. Now all the girls go follow, all the fake fans gon' pile up. I need peace to borrow, get that shit right back tomorrow. Somehow all the fans go bravo, smile so much to hide my sorrows. Faith is shaky in vibrato.
Bro, yo, that is so loud. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait for you guys to hear this. I didn't even come that far, and like even just getting on it, like leaving the neighborhood, I was like, what? Like this thing is louder than the R1. And that, if you've heard my bike in person, you know how obnoxiously loud that bike is. I didn't think it could get louder. I really did not think it could get louder. Oh man, what's up guys, it's your boy FastLaneD, and today y'all see the new pipe. We got the full titanium, boy, full titanium Vandemon exhaust on here. We couldn't go with any other exhaust for the H2 because this is the closest you're gonna get to an H2R replica exhaust. So, I mean, it was like a no-brainer, and it really is the only full titanium system that I could find for this bike. Like, there really are no other. The Brox is stainless steel, it's not titanium. So, had to go with this one, top of the line, for the fastest bike in the world. Except they announced the V4R this week. But we're gonna talk about that later. Let's go. We got my boy Tanner right here, man. Huge shout out to Tanner. He came to my house at what, like 12 o'clock today? And as you can see, it's nighttime. We've been installing this, flushing the coolant, and then we had an issue with a strip screw. If you work on stuff, you always know it's the most random stuff that happens that you end up getting hung up on when installing stuff like this. But we're here, we made it. We're gonna go for a little night cruise. Bro, that's loud in the R1. Yeah, that's loud as shit. This bike is so loud. See, y'all got Tanner's reaction. And we rode earlier, I rode my R1 earlier, because we had to go get coolant, and Tanner wanted to hear it, so we rode the R1 and his R6. And shout out to Mitchell, man, that was there. That was cool to get recognized at a local shop. I've been recognized always outside of Lexington, like where I live, but I've never been actually recognized here. So I don't think I'm like the shit or anything, but like it is cool to get recognized in your own city for sure. I didn't give y'all any revs. I'm about to give y'all some actual revs, like off the bike. Why do I have this bike? This absolutely absurd. And Tanner, I don't even know where Tanner, we just left Tanner. Sorry, bro. What the? What happened?
I was back there sleeping and you got on it.
I think he's gonna say it was like a cop or something. We are getting in some trouble tonight. I'm calling that right now. What the fuck, dude? Hold on. We gotta pull over. I gotta show y'all this, dude.
Boy, sounds nice.
Is it loud?
It sounds nice.
It has a different tone to it.
Hell yeah.
Yeah.
It's a different tone.
Is it shooting flames?
Is it flat?
Is it what?
I'm not seeing any sparks or anything.
Okay.
I'm gonna have to be next to you. And you just keep it going, boy.
Hold on, something's stuck. Hold on. Something ain't right, dude. What the f? It feels like the brake's grabbing.
Right?
Yeah.
That's weird.
Yeah, hold on, I'll let you feel it. Bro, if you like sit on it and feel it, like it feels like the brake is grabbing.
Grabbing? It is.
Yeah. Oh, you know what it is? You know what it is? It's this back here. I tightened that too much.
You did what?
I tightened this too much. Yeah, because the brake won't even like press. The screw back there with the...
Don't use your rear brake right now.
Yeah.
You don't have that size with you, do you? How big is it?
It's a 10 millimeter. We'll go back real quick. God dang it. Bro, this thing is so loud.
Oh, no, look at that fucking coloring.
Yeah, it's already blue in. I'm shocked it's not throwing any flames. Hold on. I want you guys to hear it here. Bro, you feel that in your chest, dude. Oh my God. All right, let's get out of here. Yeah, let's get out of here. Now this is an H2 right here. This is an H2, boy. Oh, yeah, that is. What? Oh snap. All right, we'll be back. We're gonna fix this brake real quick. I know exactly what it is. I tightened it too much. See, this is why I can't hang out with Tanner, man. We're gonna get in trouble. We're gonna get in trouble. I just can't use my rear brake, which I love using my rear brake. It's definitely gonna be a challenge to not use it. What in the actual hell is going on? Holy shit. Dude, the deepness of this bike is nuts. Oh shit, can't use my rear brake, damn it. See, there's me using it again already. Just out of habit. This is why we do shakedown runs, for real though. just to make sure everything's good. And I'm hoping you guys can't hear my music, but
You think that'll stay in a wheelie?
no, hell no, that's not staying. No way. Only way to find out though.
I'm gonna test it a little bit.
Oh, here we go. I knew he was gonna do it. I don't even know why he asked me if that was gonna stay. It stayed? Hey, let's go! Let's go! This man's stupid, dude. Tuner trying to get gap. Look at him. You want that gap, huh?
Well, I need drag race, dog.
This man wants the gap, boy. I've been babying this thing, man. Babying it. Alright. I'll give you the gap. Tanner don't want the smoke, boy. He don't want the smoke. And I wasn't even me giving it everything. That's me a baby in it because it wants to wheelie. Is that a cop?
Yeah.
Yo, this bike is low-key scary because it makes you want to go fast. Like it's like faster, faster, faster. Come on. Give me more, give me more, give me more, give me more. You definitely feel like a badass being on this thing too, dude. Like, FastLaneD gang, what did we do? I get it now. I talked to some other owners, like, off camera, and, like, everyone admits that this bike is overkill and honestly a little bit scary. Like, I'm not scared of the power. I'm scared that, like, how it makes you want to ride. Like, that's the problem. Like, it makes you want to hoon and do stupid shit. Yeah, when I said I was thinking about getting another H2 as a daily, yeah, no, that. Absolutely not. That is a terrible idea. This thing sounds absolutely incredible though. Like, it sounds so good. Dude, the quick shifter on this is amazing with an exhaust, dude. Like, amazing. We'll stop at the show up here.
I'm gonna have to stay in low gear when you're riding on that.
Why?
So I can keep up when you decide to hit it. If not, I'm not gonna be able to keep up.
It's crazy, bro.
When you're in it, you're going.
Yeah, this thing is nuts.
By the time I downshift, you're already a mile ahead. It picks up speed.
That's what I'm saying, it really does. Nina's gonna be the new name of the beast. Shout out to, I'll see if I can find the comment, I'll pop up on the screen. Shout out to you for the name. I like that name. It's like Ninja, but without the J, obviously. We riding around with that Nina. Like the blow valve was like, pew, pew. And every time you shit, it was like, you don't even want to stop. Look at the bluing, dude.
Oh, yeah, let's see.
Wow. Yeah, now this bike feels like a fucking beast. Before, like, it felt fast, but having the sound now too to go with it, it's just like, it brings it to a different level.
Now in your head it's fast too.
Exactly. And it sounds so unique too when you're getting on it. Like, it's just like a different inline four kind of sound. And there's a cop up there, so we are going to chill out for a sec. Let's stay back here. I appreciate it, man. We're definitely gonna stay behind them because we're 100%. Everyone has a license plate on their bike, for sure. I really like this bike though. Like, it rides so well for how much power it has. Like, Kawasaki did a really good job of making this bike rider friendly. At idle it's quiet, and then once you get on it though, like the R1 is louder than this when it idles. Yeah.
I can too.
Oh, for real? That idle is quiet, but when you like give it throttle, this thing is, once it gets in the power band, 100% louder than the R1. That's wild. I didn't think I could get louder than the R1, honestly. Her bike is loud. She's a screamer, but Nina's an even louder screamer.
Out of here, bro. Somebody's definitely gonna call on that thing. Oh my. Wow. Dude, that thing is loud. Bro, I wish the video's not gonna do this justice at all. Oh my God. It's time to wrap it up.
What's up, man? What's going on, man? Good to see you. I've never seen you get so scary, man. I love it, though. Yeah, man.